Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shingai. I am the founder of Reb & Co. I sell candles, wax melts and body care products. And today's video is just going to be I didn't even ask you if you're doing well. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I'm going to be just doing a studio clean. As some of you may or may not know, I moved, so I have got a small space that I can work in now. So it's going to be sort of like a studio tidy up, clean up type of situation. I have many boxes. It's really quite untidy. I have many boxes lying around. I have to break those down and just make the whole space a bit tidy. So that's pretty much what we'll be doing today in today's video. I'll be just showing you where everything goes and everything. I am not yet sorry, I live by the road, so I'm not going to be decorating the place as of yet because I still want to gather a few things before I properly make it into a space that I like. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. It'll be a quick, nice, short video, and I hope you enjoy. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. But before that, I'll just show you what needs to get done, and yeah. So as I was saying, I'll just show you what needs to get done. So I need to get rid of the styrofoam. It came in the box with the shelf. I need to break that down, put it in a black bin. I also got a black bin. That's the printer box. I will keep that and store it later somewhere else. And then I was doing labels. These are the wax melt labels. I'm trying to change my wax melt labels because I want everything to be cohesive. These are the labels that I have. They're fine, but I don't like them. I just want everything to be cohesive, to look somewhat nice. So these are the big wax melts. I did the labels yesterday and I'm yet to do the small ones. So I cut up a lot of labels, and I need to sort these out. Sort everything out here on the table, make it look neat somewhat. And I have a few stuff, if I go this side by the window there, that's all from making this shelf. So I need to get rid of all that and then sort out everything on the floor. And that I don't have enough space, so that will stay in that clear thing. And then in here I have my fragrance oils, just a few stuff that looks untidy, and I'll have to sort that out. And that's this. The floor is not too bad. I just have to hoover it. So that's pretty much everything that I have to do. It's not so bad, but yeah, hopefully I can do it in a shorter space amount of time. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, so guys, that's basically it. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to finish everything. I just wanted it to be neat. I'm not yet decorating the space, but hopefully I will be able to do that soon and make it a little bit girly, make it into something nice that I enjoy spending my time in. Because of course, yes, I will be spending a lot of my time in here. So yeah, for the most part, I just wanted to get rid of the styrofoam, the cat boxes and everything. And so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. It would help so much. We are at 192 subscribers, so hopefully we can grow into a small nice little community, and I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, I think I have some video footage of me making these candles that you see there, and a body butter, and some of it I'm just lazy to film. That's why I don't, because editing takes a lot of work. So I do have some footage, and I might post it if I get the time to edit it. But for now, this will do. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.